Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we'll see this sum in isometric. If you see in this sum, length is 30, O right side 30, height 44 and width 34. So we'll draw layout like this. After drawing layout, now if I'll see in side view and front view, there are three parts. See, here it's 1, 2, 3, here it is ABC. Now it is not very clear which one I should draw first. So what I'll do, I will draw 3 boxes. And I'll try putting one by one. Let's say part C. In this part C is here, part 1 is here. So I'm putting part 1 over here. Part 2 over here. I'm assuming that part 1, part 2, part 3 is nearer to me. And whatever is there in the front, the same thing is behind. With that concept, I can draw this. Part 3 is the upper one. Yeah, upper triangle. So it will be like this. Now I need to see in side view where it is matching. So here C is matching with 1. Right? With 3, 2 is matching with B. That's slope. Right? And here this is matching. A is matching with 3. So first we'll start with C and 1. So see, in such kind of question, always go with this possibility. So see, we got part 1. Now take this behind. How much you have to go behind? 34 minus 18. So we'll get this part. So we are done with part 1 in C. Now we need to draw part 2. Which is B, right? So for that I will draw a vertical line from here, an inclined line from here, see, like this. So we'll get that slope. Then from here I'll go inside. How much I have to go inside? 8 mm, because 18 minus 10 is 8. Then we'll draw a vertical line from here, an inclined line from here. This is part A, 3, right? So I hope everyone understood this sum. Thank you.